What's up YouTube, it's your boy BioTrader here. In this new video, I will tell you how you could modify your trading strategy and how to identify its weak sides. But before that, as always, let's open and analyze our first deal. And our first pair is Swiss franc to Japanese yen. We are going to invest in price growth and reversal from support line. So let's switch to broker and open a deal for 100 with 4-minute expiration. And of course, back to the trading view for more detailed analysis. Let's look at the chart movement earlier. Before the uptrend in which we are currently working stopped, the price was moving in a downtrend in relatively low volumes. When the selling volume started to decrease, the lows of the downtrend started to decrease as well. The weakened trend covered with the increase in overall activity, and the buyers at the opening of the London session tried to change the trend, but still the sellers' force prevailed. The price broke through the support line with the greatest force and entered the local minimum. In this moment we can fix levels on price reversals. For the minimum of the change of the activity from sellers to buyers, the later an accumulation of forces brought the price to the formation of the uptrend and the recovery of the price. Although we can say that the trend is strong, but due to strong volumes it is stable and there is already a breakdown of the previous resistance level. While the activity is still high, we take advantage of this to open position and for further price growth from the level. And now let's get back to broker. And before we start, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and of course to leave a like to this video. And in this new one I want to discuss a topic that many of my more experienced students come to me with. Namely the topic of changing trading strategies. Not always change it when it does not fit, but the quest is exactly how to change the current strategy to increase profits for more profit. And now, in this video, I will show you how you can do so. Changing trading strategy is an important moment in any trader's life, and it should be a well-reasoned and well-thought-out decision. So it is very rare for me amongst my students to endorse such a move, but still some people find it extremely necessary for further growth. There are several key factors that can push you to change strategy, and they are usually related to changes in the market environment and the trader's personal experience. And by the way, in addition to educational trading videos on YouTube, I also write educational articles in my open Telegram channel. In this channel you can find not only articles but also useful literature, educational posts and of course videos. In addition to all of this, I also run trading sessions with participants of this open Telegram channel. And those sessions are completely free. You can find the link to join in the description under the video or in a pinned comment. Not a while ago I have created a trading bot, and in one of the last videos I showed how personally I use this bot in my day-by-day activities. This bot is completely free and you could use it via Telegram. I will leave a link to this bot in the description below the video. The last few years have been intense for the market as a whole. Many factors, both economic and political, have changed the market and the behavior of traders in general. So this factor in changing strategies I would consider is the suitable of the strategy the market conditions. Volatility, trends and cyclicality can fluctuate over time. If your current strategy is no longer producing consistent results due to changing market conditions, this is the first signal to change it. But don't jump to the gun and run to change your strategy just because it stopped working short term. Evaluate the results for a period of 2 weeks at different times, and then you will understand whether this factor is suitable for your trading. Sometimes you may find that the strategy you have chosen no longer fits your trading objectives, risk profile, or trading style. This can happen if your goals have changed or if you find that a different approach may be more effective for you. Then, of course, you should consider changing your strategy. And now let's step back for a minute and pick up our first win of the day and move to our next pair, which is Australian dollar to Japanese yen. And here everything is simple. We will invest in continuation of a bullish trend. So let's switch to broker and open a deal for 100 with 4-minute expiration time. And of course, back to the trading view for more detailed analysis. On this chart, the current uptrend is triggered by strong volumes from buyers, but one must look at historical data and look at levels. Before the price drew down, the chart was in a sharp decline until the general activity decreased. When the activity fell, the volume stabilized and the price was formed in a weak oblique corridor, with a hint of recovery. But the residual forces of sellers brought the price to the minimum, and already from it to the increase of lows, we can talk about a global reversal. While the buyers were still accumulating strength, the residual downtrend slowed down the development of the reversal to the uptrend. But already in this corridor of volumes we can see critical situation from the side of buyers. So in the end we see the sharp growth with strong candles. With the breakdown of the level and the pullback, I have already entered the further growth, taking advantage of the strength of buyers to restore the previous values. And now let's move back to broker. If you want to learn from me or to trade together, I have a private channel for my team. As a member of my team, you will get access to my personal mentorship, lots of trading sessions, individual feedback and more exclusive educational materials, and of course ability to copy me for social trading. Do you want to become a member of my team? Then write me a phrase "I want some honey" in my personal Telegram to receive an invitation to it. You can find the link to contact me in the description under the video or in a pinned comment. It happens that you can lose confidence in the chosen strategy, and this in turn can become a serious psychological barrier. Trading in financial markets is certainly connected with emotions. When the chosen strategy starts to make losses or does not bring the expected results, a trader can face a wide range of psychological reactions, from disappointment and frustration to fear and doubt in his abilities. It is important to identify the problem in time and start solving it. You must analyze the aspect of the strategy led to unsatisfactory results, and this may include reviewing entry rules, risk management, timing, and other factors. Reevaluating and adjusting the strategy based on lessons learned can help restore confidence and of course trust. If after that you still get unsatisfactory results, change the strategy. And so we have sorted out 3 factors, and we are left with the factor of learning and improvement and the factor of expanding the tools. Let's start with tools. I've already said that the market is changing, but with its demands. Therefore, we need to adapt not only the basis of the strategy but also the tools used with it. Now I'm mainly talking about such things as indicators, time intervals, and market segments. You can add all of these to the change when the current lows are no longer as profitable as they used to be. Growth is not possible without change, but remember that it is not always necessary to radically change your strategy. Sometimes gradual adjustment and improvements are enough. An approach that has failed in the past can be refined and optimized for more successful results. In conclusion, changing your trading strategy in financial markets is a complex decision that requires careful analysis and deliberation. And in this video, I have highlighted the key factors that may warrant such move. Strategy suitability to market conditions, strategy suitability to goals and trading styles, and of course psychological aspects and to adoption. Remember that success in the market depends not only on the strategy itself, but also on the trader's ability to adapt to changing conditions and learn from experience. A change of strategy may be necessary, but it should be deliberated and based on the residual factors. The decision to change strategy should be based on the trader's specific circumstances and of course objectives. And as all of you may notice, our second deal also closed this plus. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to leave a like to this video, and of course to drop some comments. See you in a while, have a good one, bye.